Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and straightforward way to save an Excel file from Dropbox directly onto your device. Whether you're working on the go or just need offline access to your important spreadsheets, this quick guide will help you get it done easily. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your files seamlessly. Once the app is open, you'll see several options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Files tab to view all the documents and folders stored in your Dropbox. Now, scroll through your list of files to find the Excel file you want to save. When you locate it, look to the right side of the file name. There you'll see 3 small dots. These dots indicate more options. Tap on these dots to open a menu with various actions you can take. From the menu, look for the option labeled Save to Device. Selecting this will begin the process of downloading the Excel file from your Dropbox cloud storage straight onto your phone's local storage. This means the file will be available even without an internet connection, making it easier to open, edit, or share whenever you need. Once you tap Save to Device, the app may show a progress indicator or confirm that the file has been saved successfully. After the download completes, you can find the Excel file in your phone's default downloads folder or in the location specified by your device for saved files. Simply open your preferred spreadsheet app to view or edit the file offline. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps in the Dropbox app, you can save your Excel files to your device quickly and without hassle. No more worrying about losing access when you don't have internet, and no extra steps needed. Thanks for watching.